Alright guys, this is what we're doing today. Building the footer here for a house project. It's going to be some Nudura walls here. So ICF stuff. We're putting the footer in. We got these 1.5 by 10 by 16 boards from the Amish. They're pine, and we're going to form this footer up. And we got a generator and stuff over here on Big Papa's truck. Because there's no power over here. But they basically dug this whole area out and put all this cobble rock in here. It's probably 3 feet thick. So, because this was all clay, so that was the first thing they did. Then they rolled it, so you can kind of see how deep this stone is. Because it was really wet in here when they did all this work. They got right here. You can see how thick the stone is right here, guys. That's like 3 feet thick right there of stone. So that's what we're up to. Stay tuned. I'll show you how we're gonna build this footer. Okay guys, so we got this is how we do it. We build the outer box first, and then we make sure we double check all our dimensions, make sure everything's what it's supposed to be. And then we do our diagonals from diagonal to diagonal. There to there we measure, make sure the box is square. And now we are putting in our stakes down through here. And this is cobble rocks. The stakes are driving hard, but we're getting them in there. And then we got the laser set up there. Some of you guys always asking me what kind of laser I got. It's a Spectra. I'll show it to you.
Spectra Precision.
Spectra Precision. This is a good laser. Let me see if I can get the number off the case. It's L300N. LL300N. There. Now people keep asking me about that. LL300N is the laser. That's a good laser. We use it all the time. We use it for everything. So basically, the boys are getting these string lines down through, making sure the boards are straight, driving pins in. Then we're going to set our height with the laser, which we're picking the highest point of this whole area because we're not digging these forms down in this super cobble rock stuff. We're not going to have to dig anything. We're just going to stake it up and pour a little extra thick concrete in there. What else can I tell you? That's about it right now, guys. Then we'll build our inner box. Then we'll put our spreader boards and stuff on, which I'll show you how we're going to do that. And we'll hang our rebar up. And that's about it right now. Stay tuned. We'll be back. This gets in the way of the laser there. That's how we check it right there. We're staking her up. This end's kind of high. Probably put some number 2 stone in there. The excavator is going to bring us a little bit of stone. Yeah, Ray's going to bring some stone over. We got the inner form built. We're staking it up now, putting our stakes in. This ground is hard as a rock.
Oh, cobblestones.
Big stones.
Getting some sun today.
A burnt biscuit, look at that. Ain't every day you see a burnt biscuit.
It's a happy biscuit.
Happy biscuit. Terry's putting these spreader boards on here. That holds our distance away, and we can hold our rebar up with them.
Alright, get your tape measure out.
So Roy's gonna measure. Make sure we're 24 inches. Which we are. Gonna drive a stake in there. sun's not as bad. There's not as much cobblestones in it.
We're gonna be shy about 8 steaks.
8 steaks. There's a couple that are drove in. There's a bunch over there too. You better put your shirt back on. Here we are, guys. We got her all formed up. The excavator brought us in some stone, so we put some stone underneath there, put our spreader boards on, and wired up our rebar. That's how we do it. Just kind of hang it there off our spreader boards. This footer is 10 inches thick, 2 feet wide. It's going to be about 10 yards of concrete. And that should be coming pretty soon, the concrete. And we just started this morning, so doing pretty good. I'm going to get some mud down, form and pour. That's the way we do it. Stay tuned.
Here
Wait.
comes the mud.
What is that? You didn't even say it right.
How did I not say it?
That didn't even sound good. Roy, you try it, Roy.
I'll pass every time.
Come on. Give it, here comes the mud.
Here comes the mud.
Oh, God, pathetic. Rowan could do better than you guys. Here comes the mud. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's how you do it. Get your boots on, Roy. The mud's here. Come on, bud. We got to get this thing poured out. It's Friday. It's about 80 degrees, and we got beer to drink, and it's Friday. And here comes Circle T slithering up the driveway with a front loader. We might have a little challenge hitting some of this area with the front loader. This over here, we're not sure if we can reach it. Rowan, stay there, buddy. Row, stay. Look at that mud. I could just about smell it. That mud coming down through there. Yeah.
I can barely smell it over the Bud Lights in the breeze.
Oh, I can smell that. I can smell that. Go guide him up where to go. He has no idea where he's going. Help him out. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to put this on a tripod. Circle T, baby. Right there. 963-2231. Oh, yeah. Look at that, huh? See if we can get him into that corner right there. Damn. I'm going to put all the chutes on him, see how far we can reach this way. Oops. Hey guys, Bondo here. We're working on the project over here on Stone Road project. We got our footers all stripped. Me and Jay filled them in yesterday in the pouring rain. We got caught in the monsoon. Right now Jay's tamping, Big Biscuit hitting it with a tamper. And then we're snapping lines on the footer, guys, for our Nudura. And we are going to take our Nudura right there, and we're going to spray foam it 1 quart to this footer. And then we are going to put that styrofoam board down. And then we're going to put some radiant tubing in here. And then we will pour the floor tomorrow morning. So that's what we're up to. Stay tuned. I'll show you how we do it. Thanks for watching. Rotor, what are you doing, buddy? Get down from there. Get down from there, buddy. We're clipping these blocks, guys. Ro's not helping us. Jay's going to show you how to clip them together. Put a clip in the top. 2 in the top here, like that. And then you got to flip them upside down.
A lot easier to do it on this than the 4-inch walls.
Oh yeah,
4-inch walls suck.
Yeah,
especially with the rebar in it already.
Yeah,
makes it almost impossible.
You don't want to put the rebar in it until you get her clipped. So that's what they look like, guys. 4 clips and a seam. Don't clip that one, Jay. I gotta cut a door opening. Go that way. There. So we're gonna clip all these blocks together, guys, and then we are going to spray foam her down and start running our well, we got to put these sauna tubes in there. That thing's dead, dude. We got to put these sauna tubes in there for the jack post pads. We're just going to run the concrete thick into them, and then we can put plastic down and our wire and start our tubing. That's where we're at right now. Okay guys, here's where we're at. It's midday. And we got these sauna tubes in. They're just pieces of sauna tube for the jack posts where they're gonna land. We got 6 of them. I went ahead and spray foamed my Nudura down. I stuck some rocks on there just to hold a couple spots. Right there's another one. Over by Roy, there's one. So I just use them rocks just to hold it till the spray foam dries. It takes about a half hour. 45 minutes, and then the spray foam's stuck really good. So now the next step, guys, we're gonna roll poly down. We got some 6 mil poly. We're gonna put that over this stone base here and cut that and get it all on here. Then we got that styrofoam board over there. We're gonna put the styrofoam board down, and then we're gonna be tying tubing, and that's gonna be that. We get that tubing in and we rock and rolling. We got to pour this tomorrow morning, so Roy's gonna roll that poly out right there. We'll cut it. What's the width of that poly? Huh? What's the width of it? If you read the box. 10 feet. All right. What's up, bro? You helping Dad today, buddy?
I'm filing for workman's comp.
Oh,
you guys seen it first.
We got a bloody biscuit over here. Big Biscuit's leaking. He didn't have his mittens on today, his safety mittens. We're getting the foam down, guys. That's what we're doing. We got our holes cut for our sauna tubes, for our jack post piers, load bearing areas of the slab. And that's what we're up to. We're gonna start throwing wire mesh down. Big Papa's cutting our few finishing sheets here. Rowan's not doing much of anything except walking around, being a little pain in the butt. Ro, sit down, buddy. Yeah, he listens.
I'll tell you what, this foam reflects some light.
Yeah, this does reflect some light. This foam, this white foam. This 2-inch polystyrene, guys, closed cell foam. This will keep the heat in this foundation. With the Nudura here, this thing's gonna be heating up like a son of a gun. This will be nice. It's gonna be a heated crawl space, conditioned space. This crawl space will heat his lower floor of his house. We've done it before in the camp last year and it worked great. There it is, guys. We got it all done. Didn't get no video footage of us laying this tubing, but I got a bunch of videos on laying tubing. I'll link to this one. So here it is. So basically we started with a footer today and we had to fill it in. We had to tamp it. Had to dig these sonotubes all in. Had to lay up our Nudura cores. Had to put 2 inches of foam down, wire mesh, and we put 5 loops of 300 of tubing, 1,500 foot of tubing. So pretty productive day. It's about 4:30. Started at 8, so 4:30 is the same as beer 30. So we're gonna head out of here and see you in the morning. We're gonna pour this sucker. Or maybe it'll be a different video, I don't know, but we are gonna pour this in the morning. So rock and roll.